Now, where did I put that special engine shed? Oh, that wasn't really that hard to find. Whoops. Wait, what? What was in here? Oh, yeah. Well, I might as well do an update on this. I do have a fair amount of stuff cleaned and repaired and some added things, so yeah, I'm sure people will want to wait for Scruffy a little bit longer. Just push that back in, put that back there, that there, and boom. Alright, let's go drag this out. So, about a year ago, I made an update on this train. Maybe some of you don't remember, but, well, this was a project that I was working on. It's a Lionel train, the 1684, and, yeah, I just talked about it and told everyone my updates on it, and then I kinda never showed it again. Well, I was looking for stuff and organizing, and, well, I found this, and I was like, oh yeah, I have made some updates to it, and bought some stuff. So, yeah, I don't really have anything to say about the engine. It still works, as shown here, but it doesn't really have anything else that I've changed, although it's just a little dusty. So, yeah, that's the engine. Something that I've purchased is this Lionel truck. Lionel did a lot of semi-trucks to go along with the trains. It's fairly detailed. The trailer can come off and can stand up, and the tractor trailer actually has some opening features. And the trailer has this little yeah, that's the truck that I got. But I also have some other things that I've added. So I've gotten some structures for my layout that I will eventually make. Here's one of them. It might not be able to fit entirely, but it's just a train station. Roof comes off. You can put some lights in there. It's kind of hard to put back on. There you go. It says Lionelville on the side, and yeah, it's just a station. I also got one of these, the signalman guy. I don't know how it really worked. So there's that. The roof comes off for lighting. That comes up. Yeah. Alright. So yeah, those are my buildings that I've got. I'll actually hold the camera so you guys can get a better view. But I've gotten some more cars. I've got this State of Maine boxcar. This door closes. I don't know what the purpose really was, but there's like a little thing under there, and you just pull it and he comes out. Nothing too special, but I just thought I'd show it. The really special thing that I've gotten is some vintage Amtrak passenger cars. Brand new in box. I got these at a estate sale for $50. There's a baggage car and a passenger car. I'll actually get these out of box. Be right back. Like the maniac that I am, yeah, I took these out of the box. Here's a closer look. This is the baggage car. Under here it has some... Oh, here it is. Has some rollers. I don't know if it works, but the wires seem in pretty good condition, so it might work. I haven't gone out a set of track to run on yet. Here's the coach. It kind of looks like a dining car. There's people in there. There's a guy, a girl, I think. Another guy, a guy. Yeah, you don't really care. Here's the logo. So yeah, I don't know if these are rare. If anyone knows, please tell me. One of these accidentally came off, so I gotta make sure that those stay on. The other side has different people, which is always a nice detail. So, yeah, those are the Amtrak coaches. Since I only have two, I can really only, that's my only real train. So, yeah, that's the, coaches. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these videos. Because this kind of was just a random update video. I didn't really know what to upload, so I just made this. Yeah, there's not too much that I've purchased, but for someone like me who doesn't make money, yeah, this is kind of a big deal. So yeah, that's the update. Hope you guys found it slightly interesting. I know I'm gonna be bored while editing. Yeah, let me know if you want me to do more. Make sure to subscribe and like and comment and turn on notifications and follow me on Twitter and Instagram and Facebook and Snapchat and Tumblr and etc. etc. Make sure to enter my giveaway and okay, you get the joke. Bye.